Finding your way, understanding, on the right track. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a common English phrase that you've likely heard or will hear in various contexts. On the right track. This expression is a metaphor that carries a lot of meaning in just a few words, and understanding it can help you both in your English language learning journey and in navigating life's challenges. Let's explore what it means, how to use it, and some examples to help you get a solid grasp of this phrase. On the right track refers to being in a position or course of action that is likely to lead to the desired or intended result. It suggests that progress is being made and that the direction or approach being taken is correct or appropriate. This phrase can be used in various contexts, from personal development and education to business and relationships. The phrase, on the right track, is believed to have originated from the railway systems, where being on the correct track is crucial for reaching the intended destination. Just like a train must be on the right track to arrive at its end point, a person must be on the correct path to achieve their goals. You can use this phrase to encourage someone, including yourself, to continue with their current approach because it is leading to positive outcomes. It is often used in a supportive context, to affirm that despite challenges, the direction or method being followed is producing good results. Examples. In academic context, your grades have improved since last semester. You're definitely on the right track. In professional setting, the modifications we've made to the project plan have been well received. We're on the right track now. Personal development. I've been exercising regularly and eating healthier. I feel like I'm on the right track to improving my overall health. Sometimes, you might hear variations or similar expressions that carry the same meaning. Phrases like, on the right path, heading in the right direction, or, on course, are often used interchangeably with, on the right track. Understanding and using the phrase, on the right track, can be incredibly motivating. It's a reminder that progress, even if slow, is still progress. We hope this video helps you feel more confident in using this phrase in your conversations and recognizes when you're on the right track in your own endeavors. Keep learning, keep growing, and remember, we're here to support you every step of the way. See you in the next video.